Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. So for today's video, a lot of you guys asked me to do a tutorial on how I got my cornrows with beads. This is not going to be how it looks. This is my old ones. I'm about to take them out, so I'm going to show you guys how I wash and prep my hair and what I use to braid my hair, like the products I use when I blow dry my hair and stuff like that, what blow dryer I'm using. So basically it's going to be like a vlog style video, because it's not really a tutorial, because when I did this hairstyle I did it on my straight hair and I was just playing about with my hair and seeing what my hair would look like with cornrows. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my hair out and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out all my beads, and I'm just going to do that by cutting it with some scissors, because they do have rubber bands on them and I don't want to break any of my hair off. Now that I've got all my beads out, I'm just going to moisturize my hair with the own natural oil, Soothe and Restore oil, just so that my hair is moisturized while I am taking them out, because I don't want to get any breakage on my ends. As you guys can see, I do have a lot of fluffy bits on my ends as well. And yeah, I just really like this oil. It's from a black owned brand. This is not a sponsored video, but I just thought I would share it because that is what I was using on my hair throughout the time I had the cornrows in.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how city I'm feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this feeling. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I have a lot of dandruff, as you can see. My hair feels super soft because of this oil that I have. I am so tired, but it's all done. It's soft feeling, blah blah blah. So I am going to wash my hair with the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo and the Afro-G Texture Treatment, because my hair needs some protein after I've used so much heat to my hair. So yeah, I'll be back with that.
I'm not in love with you anymore.
I didn't know you ever were.
Let's not make this any more difficult than it already is.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, I'm not in love with you either.
Yes, I know.
So for my blow drying process, I really like to use the Redken Extreme Anti-Snap Leave-In. I used this on my last video when I straightened my hair, and I didn't get any heat damage, so I highly recommend it. And I also like to use the Afro-G Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer. This is just like a really nice protein treatment to use before I blow dry my hair. And I'm also going to be using the Rev Air today because I just want something really quick and easy to do, and it's just a protective hairstyle, so I'm not really fussed about how straight I get my hair. So I'm going to be using it on the number 6 setting, and yeah, I'm just going to go over that all over my hair. Yeah, and as you guys can see, I still have my curls, so that straightener didn't damage my hair at all. So it's the next day. I really did spend the whole day doing my hair, so I'm just gonna go in with the Renee Shea Souffle from what's the brand called? Oh, Lush. Yeah, it's from Lush. It's their Shea Butter range. And I'm just going to use that to moisturize my hair. And this is my hair before I've moisturized it. As you guys can see, my hair is already really soft and shiny. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using to moisturize my Cornrows, because it does get a bit dry. And this is the hair inspiration that I'm using, and I'm just going to split my hair in half. I don't really care how neat the partings are because I'm just going to be inside, so yeah. And then I'm going to go in and split my hair again where I want my Cornrows to sit, and then the rest will be for where I'll have like my single plaits. And now I'm going in with the Shea Butter, and I'm just going to use it all over that section. And I'm just going to part my hair in that like Fulani braid style, where you have like one Cornrow going towards your face. And I'm going to leave a link down below for where I learned to Cornrow, because I actually didn't know how to do it before this. So I'm going to leave the link down for that video because it was really helpful. And yeah, I'm going to be doing these hairstyles a lot more often because it did help my hair to grow and help my hair stay more moisturized. So I was able to maintain a lot of my length throughout those weeks. And yeah, the rest is pretty self-explanatory.
Don't you decide, baby, don't you decide. Make it alright, baby, make it alright. Don't you decide, baby, don't you decide. Make it alright, baby, make it alright. You're all that matters to me. Oh, all that matters to me.
Oh, and I'm also using the Edge Booster edge control on some areas where I feel like my hair tends to get the most flyaways. So yeah.
I'm not in love with you anymore.
I didn't know you ever were.
Let's not make this any more difficult than it already is.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, I'm not in love with you either.
Yes, I know.
Now what I'm going to do is put some single plaits in the back of my hair. I didn't really do them neatly because I was already tired and I just wanted to finish the process. But yeah, I just part it and then just did random plaits everywhere. So this is the final look. It's a really, really good protective hairstyle. I'm just going to add some beads to it to finish the whole look. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Any hairstyles you want to see me try. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how to the love I'm feeling. Sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this feeling. 'Cause I've been so long, so long. Cause I've been so long, so long. that's a hang up from high city I've been feeling. I'm sorry I feel no attraction and none of this benefit. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
I've thought about it a lot, and this is what's gonna happen.